Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Wednesday, August 5th, 2026, where we simplify today's market intelligence. Markets delivered a powerful rally this week with real breadth. The Nasdaq surged 3.3% to 29,733 as the AI trade roared back, while the S&P 500 climbed 1.8% to a fresh record at 7,737. Technology led with a 4.1% jump, but the gains were widespread across sectors. Meanwhile, oil tumbled nearly 6% to $75 and 77 cents on hopes of a Gulf shipping deal, pulling the 10-year Treasury yield down to 4.62%. Lower energy prices ease inflation fears, which matters greatly for Fed policy. Gold held firm near $4,087, suggesting investors haven't fully abandoned caution despite the risk-on mood. While the broader market struggled, 5 names bucked the trend and surged on the back of strong AI momentum. Palantir soared 30% after nearly doubling revenue to $1.94 billion and closing 220 deals worth over $1 million each, proof that AI software demand is turning into signed contracts. Arista networks climbed 11% on a revenue beat and 50% operating margins, confirming that AI data center spending is still accelerating. Wayfair jumped 29% with its best second quarter since 2020, hinting the frozen housing market may finally be thawing. AER test systems rose 20% after landing orders stretching into 2027, signaling confidence in long-term AI infrastructure demand. And ARM rallied 18%, leading a broad AI semiconductor surge that shows the trade is widening beyond the usual suspects. Gold continues to hold near record highs, and today's chart reveals the structural force behind its strength: the global money supply. As central banks expand liquidity worldwide, gold has tracked this growth almost perfectly, step for step. The model suggests fair value actually sits above current levels, meaning there's still room to run. With central banks actively accumulating and global liquidity in expansion mode, this isn't just fear-driven buying. For investors, it signals gold's rally has fundamental legs beneath it, supported by monetary dynamics that show no signs of reversing anytime soon. Looking ahead, Wednesday, August 5th is packed with key events. The U.S. Treasury refunding update reveals how much debt the government plans to sell. Jobs and services data, including ADP payrolls and the ISM Services Survey, will provide insights into hiring and economic health. India's Reserve Bank is expected to hold rates at 5.5%, while Fed officials Cook and Schmid speak. On the earnings front, watch for reports from Eli Lilly, Uber, and Walt Disney. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.